Greetings everyone and welcome. This is Neo and you are watching FinTech. If you enjoy our content, please do not forget to leave a like. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be informed about our later videos. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. Before we start our video, let's hear our legal disclaimer. None of the information given in this video should be taken as financial advice. Please make your investments according to your own research. As I always point out, blockchain and decentralization are the technologies for the future. And if we want to continue using blockchain and decentralization in the future as the basis of the technology, we should think about the real-world integrations and the real-world values. For that, blockchain technology should provide solutions for the real-world problems. That's why I believe the project which we are going to talk about today is a key player in terms of providing Web3, blockchain, and decentralized solutions to the industries in the real world. What is also great is that they have different solutions to the different problems in various industries. And this is really important for a project to sustain its long-term profitability and value. They are also focused on one of the most important technological advancements in our age today, which is AI. This project is called SENSAY, and it is a pioneering platform at the forefront of digital revolution, offering autonomous digital replicas that have a wide array of applications in today's digital age. These digital replicas, as they call it, are set to transform industries such as dementia care, education, matchmaking, fan engagement, gaming, job hunting, travel planning, corporate memory, and brand engagements. And exactly for these reasons, SENSAY's position in the market is quite unique actually, with its innovative technology providing solutions to diverse sectors. The platforms focus on preserving memories, providing customized learning and development, offering expertise on demand, enhancing customer support, which is very important in many platforms, and providing innovative marketing and sales tools sets it apart from traditional services on Web 2 or even in Web 3. So the core concept of SENSAY revolves around the creation of these autonomous digital replicas that can interact with us in a lifelike manner, and actually we will try a demo for that as well. These replicas are capable of preserving memories, providing personalized learning and development, offering expert advice, enhancing customer support, and serving as marketing and sales tools. Preservation of memory is also a key function of these digital replicas. For example, by creating interactive family trees, users can share stories, experiences, and knowledge across generations. This feature ensures that valuable information is passed down and not forgotten. Also, you can understand this can be really beneficial for corporates as well. And team seriously done its work in terms of researching the areas where these digital replicas can be useful. And as I have told you at the beginning of the video, there are many use cases. For example, if we take a look at the research in terms of healthcare, dementia affects 1 in 6 adults over the age of 60 worldwide. In the US, 10.7% of adults aged 65 and older are living with Alzheimer's disease. And the annual cost per individual with dementia in the US is around $393,000, with national costs projected to exceed $1 trillion by 2050. And the preservation of memory is a tool which can be used for the patients with dementia, reducing costs in the real world and helping the people in need. Plus, SENSAY's digital replicas can personalize learning and development initiatives in organizations by replicating experts in various fields. This feature actually revolutionizes the way knowledge is transferred within organizations, leading to a more effective training process. And if you check their research in terms of that, you will see that the global e-learning market is expected to reach 374.3 billion by 2026, which is a very near date. And SENSAY's platform can actually tap into these markets by offering customized learning packages and expert consultations through digital replicas that they have in their platform. And actually, with its products already live, Sensay has created hundreds of replicas and developed an Athena AI training bot. The project has demonstrated so far significant traction, boasting over 25,000 monthly active users and a community over 50,000 members. These are great numbers for a project which is new to the market. And Sensay's recognition includes being finalists at the TED AI Hackathon and ranked in the top 3 on Product Hunt by Oxford AI Society. This just tells me that the project has a significant R&D behind them in the background so that they can create a product which is useful in various fields and which is effective already. Sensay is also led by a quite visionary team. The CEO of the project is Dan Thompson and CTO is Marco Bettiolo. Dan actually brings his expertise in digital replication and 7 years in crypto to Sensay. His entrepreneurial spirit, advanced by the founding of multiple startups, drives Sensay's mission to enhance global potential for humanity. And actually, it's really great to see that he is an entrepreneur, so he knows the problems corporates can face in the digital era right now. And the CTO, Marco Bettiolo, with 20 years of experience, brings technical expertise to the project, ensuring its technical innovation is cutting edge. Actually, looking at the core team, it is really great to see that they have seasoned experts from various backgrounds and from various nationalities. So the project is very international and very experienced at the same time. The project has already secured partnerships with industry leaders such as Fetch AI, SingularityNet, which is a great partner to have, Banyan, also known as Filecoin, AIOZ, Solvecare, and Layer Zero, further solidifying its position in the market. Plus, with a token generation event, TGE, scheduled for the 19th of March, just a couple of days ahead, and a total value locked $10 million, Sensay's future potential is actually quite promising. Before I delve into details of tokenomics and roadmap, I actually want to give you some more information about these replicas and Sensay AI in general. Right now, you can actually see a replica on my screen, which I can chat very easily. It can even have real human voice to help you and help people with disabilities. But if you choose so, you can also just have a conversation in text. Actually, the operational mechanism of these replicas are quite robust. The data collected from interactions with Sensay's replicas can be analyzed to gain insights into customers' behavior and market trends. This data can be monetized or used to improve business strategies. This is very good for transparency purposes and saying this on their documentation, and also this just gives you how the project can sustain itself. And actually integrating Sensay's replicas in customer support provides customers with personalized and knowledgeable assistance. Unlike standard chatbots, these replicas offer more in-depth and context-aware responses, enhancing customer satisfaction and engagement. And I can tell you, I am really tired of these chatbots, which just does nothing for you. So in fact, Sensay's customer support replicas have shown a 30% increase in customer satisfaction compared to the traditional chatbots. And the average response time of Sensay's replicas is 50% faster than human customer service representatives. The brands and the big companies who want to enhance their customer and user engagement actually should use these replicas. But also, Sensay's replicas can be used in marketing and sales to provide detailed product knowledge or simulate real-life scenarios. This enhances, again, customer experience and engagement, leading to increased sales and customer loyalty. You can actually find much more details and statistical data on their documentation and on their white paper if you are interested in how these replicas or Sensay AI really works. Sensay's native token is called SNSY, or Sensay really. And this token is really an integral part of Sensay's ecosystem, enabling users to access exclusive features and rewards. And this token can actually be used for subscriptions, transactions within the platform, plus governance. So let me just give you some quick information about the token. SENSAY is Ethereum based on ERC20. It is designed to empower users and drive platform growth. SENSAY token facilitates transactions within SENSAY, including subscriptions, and it has staking opportunities with substantial rewards. Plus, the governance participation in the decision-making process is a good bonus. In terms of tokenomics, there are some big sums reserved for the most important things. For example, public sale will get 20% with 2 billion tokens. And platform development is 1.5 billion. Team and advisors will get 1 billion tokens. Again, this is really good for sustainability. And the future team and advisors also will get 1 billion in the tokenomics. Community incentives is 1 billion, which is used for rewarding the users. Partnership and collaborations, 500 million, marketing 1 billion, exchange listings 500 million, and reserve funds is 15%, which stands at 1.5 billion. And remember, on the 19th of March, they will have a token generation event with 10 million tokens. If you want to be updated about it and if you want details, you should follow them on social channels. But before that, let's take a look at the staking rewards and staking mechanism of SENSAY. So, as an SY token, SENSAY token holders can stake their tokens to earn more tokens generated from transactions and activities within the SENSAY platform. Stakers also have the opportunity to participate in governance and earn additional rewards. And these staking rewards will be available during the initial months to encourage investors to stake their tokens rather than selling them. So the project provides lots of opportunities for the token holders and the users of the platform. Also, the corporates and the healthcare platforms can benefit from SENSAY AI, making its solutions in the wide range. SENSAY's innovative approach and strong traction actually position it as a leader in the digital immortality movement, empowering users in the digital age. If you want to know more details about SENSAY, you should go ahead and check their website out for more and more detailed information and take a look at their R&D. Also, you can reach them on social media channels such as Telegram, Twitter, and other platforms. For example, on Twitter, you can check out the recent announcements and news about the platform. And on Telegram, actually, you will have the opportunity to use the chat. And if you'll excuse me, I will go ahead and have a really philosophical and an educational chat with Abraham Lincoln. That's all for today's video. We will continue to bring you the latest news and promising projects. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching FinTech. Until next time.